नमस्ते दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है सौरभ सेल्स क्लासेस में। आज हम टेस्ट ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स बुक से एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। ये बुक टोमेटो नाम से बहुत पॉपुलर है एंड ये बुक जो है ये पब्लिश किया जाता है फ्रॉम इंडियन स्टैटिस्टिकल इंस्टीट्यूशन टू हेल्प द स्टूडेंट्स इन देयर प्रिपरेशन फॉर I.S.I एंट्रेंसेस। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं प्रॉब्लम को। We have to study the derivative of the fx which is log x log base ex minus x minus 1 for all x greater than 0, and you have to roughly sketch the graph fx on paper. Okay, we have fx is equals to log base ex minus x minus 1 for all x greater than 0. Therefore, f prime x or the first order derivative of the function fx is equals to 1 by x minus 1, which results in 1 minus x by x. Okay, now f prime x is greater than 0 for all x in between 0 to 1, and f prime x is strictly less than 0 for all x between 1 to infinity. Now, before drawing the graph, let's have a table for the values of x and fx. We have some values like 0.5, 1, 2, 3, and correspondingly we get fx as 0.2, 0, minus 0.7 and minus 1.5. This table helps us to find the way how to draw the graph on the x and y axis using the x and y axis. Okay, so this is the required axis, and as we can see from this table that if x is in between 0 to 1, suppose this is 1 on x-axis, if fx is in between 0 to 1, then the slope of fx is positive. Okay, and as we can see that if the value of x is in between any value from between 0 to 1, like 0.5, here we get 0.2 as y-axis. Okay, so we get this type of graph. Now if the values are greater than 1, like 2 or 3, then the values are negative also. This is minus 0.2, and for the values of 2 and 3 we also get negative values, but the slope is negative here. Therefore the graph looks like this. Okay, so this is the required graph for the function log x minus x minus 1 for all x greater than 0. Okay, so that's all for today. And we Saras's classes provide different study materials and mock test series for I.S.I entrances, so you can join us. And for further details, you can check our website also. And please subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notification first. Thank you.